So I'm working at this, nice apartment complex in Plano. Nice. Okay. Let's see how many are going to take off running. Because I think we got quite a few in here. And they were right sneaky bastards. Oh, there he is. I'm sorry, it's not a rat's nest. It's just a bunch of little mice. Ooh. Don't worry about that girly scream. Where are you gonna go, man? So, safe to say they definitely have a mice problem. Would you agree? There they are. They're all up in there. Wait, there's another one. They just keep coming. Where are you going? Ah! Nasty little thing. Get out of here. Hiya! Hiya! Come here, buddy. Calm down. Oh, that's sad. Come on, go. 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 So at the end of that one clip, that little mouse started trembling on the concrete, so I started feeling a little bad. I didn't have the heart to kill him, but he safely made it to a patch of grass, a little brush, so he'll live another day to eat someone's cereal or shit in your drink, whatever they do. Thanks for watching the adventures of a fire alarm tech. Peace!